Hi there, this is Toby from Home Mechanic, twitter.com/Home Mechanic UK, I think, on Facebook Home Mechanic. It's a week before Japfest. I got the Mazda out and we're taking on a quick tuning run. Nothing like short notice. So here we go, it's idling nicely and yeah, we're about to go. Idling steady at about 850, 900 RPM. Probably need to take that down a little bit depending on how she goes. AFR sitting pretty steady, so I'll take that. Okay, let's see how she does. Okay, I'm back from the test. I survived. Didn't die or anything. The car didn't set alight. I found out the tachometer's not working, but I can probably work out a way of fixing that. So fingers crossed. Saw a couple of nice American cars come back from I'm guessing fast show or somewhere. They look good. Didn't take a picture, should have done. But there we are. Fingers crossed, and we'll see you all at Japfest. Silverstone, that is. Cool. Check us out, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Thanks, bye.